are letting their voices be heard today. WGN's Lourdes Duarte is live in the loop at the Federal Building with that part of the story. Lourdes.
That's right. Good afternoon. And there's a protest going on right now. If you look behind me, there are several hundred people here at Federal Plaza holding up signs saying better housing, no Olympic Games, no games. They've been here, some of them, since about 4 o'clock, handing out flyers, letting people why they think the Olympics coming to Chicago in 2016 is a bad idea. Now, this group is known as No Games Chicago. They argue that instead of the Olympics, money should be spent on better hospitals, better housing, and schools. They believe that the Olympics would be more of a liability than an asset, and to show that, they've even brought in a professor from Vancouver who's been opposing their 2010 games and says they're already losing money. Listen in to what he and other protesters had to say.
If the Daley administration had a very clean record of, you know what, we finish projects on time and, you know, they are under budget or on budget, but that record isn't there.
What I'm here to do is help inoculate Chicago against this Olympic disease. Hope you guys don't drink the Kool-Aid like we did in Vancouver.
And there are other protests scheduled for the remainder of the week as well as this weekend. Police Superintendent Jody Weiss was asked about these protests if he fears that they could get out of control. Listen into what he had to say.
You know, we constantly monitor the threat level throughout the city for all different aspects of it. The threat level is extraordinarily low. We will have more than adequate security to make sure that they're protected.
And again, right outside Federal Plaza, this is one of a few protests that are scheduled for the rest of the week and for this weekend. This particular protest will march all the way to the Aon building, which is where the 2016 Olympics